What's the secret ingredient that transforms ordinary salads into culinary memories? My grandmother's vintage celery seed dressing has been turning heads for generations, and I'm going to share her recipe with you. Now, making your own salad dressing isn't just easy, it delivers flavors that bottled versions simply can't match, with no preservatives, and they cost just a fraction of what they do in the store. You are going to need sugar, salt, dry mustard, whisk these together. Then you are going to add in white onion, white vinegar, and vegetable oil. And then you are going to slowly drizzle in your oil while whisking continuously, alternating with the remaining vinegar to create the perfect emulsion. Finally, sprinkle those tiny but mighty celery seeds in and give it a good whisk. These little powerhouses deliver that unforgettable earthy flavor that makes this salad dressing special. This vintage treasure gets even better after a day in the fridge. Try it once and ordinary salads will never satisfy you again. Tap to save this recipe. And if you love vintage recipes, why not come to vintagerecipes.com?